I think she's real.
She's literally making eye contact with us.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's a robot. That's insane.
The skin is so real. Even the birthmark.
She's literally looking at us right now.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, she's here.
Thanks, Elon Musk.
Work it, girl, work it.
I'm glad you brought me over this. Look at her eyes.
I'm gonna show you guys the window display because Louis Vuitton and Kusama did a collab. Here's the red bag. We got the iconic yellow. I love how it comes with a little pumpkin charm. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Here is the other window display. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait, look at this white window. Oh my god, I need this one with the polka dots on the chain. This is my favorite one for sure. Oh wait, look at the details on the button. Gorgeous. And here she is in all her glory. Hello there. You're doing great. This is the other side of the window display. Look at that LV. We definitely see the polka dot theme throughout. Here's another. Okay. This fit is fire. You kidding me? Oh my, I love. Amazing. Here we have some more shades. This like varsity type jacket, a huge duffel bag, some more sneakers with the salmon green. Okay, this puffer, yes. And I'm not even like a big polka dot girl to be honest, but she killed this collab. So inside the Vuitton flagship store, they have it decked out in polka dots for the Masala collab.